Hi, my name is Courtney Lee, and this is my Module 6 dissection of the cow eye. And here are just the names that I'll be pointing out on the eye. So here we have this part of the eye. It's easy to see where the cornea is. Cornea is this film right here. And then around it, this white part you see around the eye, that is the sclera. And then we have the optic nerve, which is right here. And then with this section of the eye, it's easier to see. So you can see the iris in this part, and it's this black part right here. And between the iris and the cornea, that is the anterior cavity, and that will be filled with aqueous humor. And that is also where the pupil begins, where the pupil will begin to come and hit the lens. So here with the iris, you can kind of see it has a oval opening where it would be in the eye. This is just part of it that came out of the eye, and it has an oval opening, and then that is where the lens would be right through the pupil. The lens would be there. And then in the back of the eye, once you get past the lens, then you have the back of the eye, and that is filled with vitreous humor. And then you also get to the posterior cavity where it eventually hits the back and hits the retina of the eye. And then lastly, we have the choroid, which is near the sclera and is just at the top of just another protective layer of the eye. And so now it's a little hard to see with this. So when I first opened the eye, the retina, which is this little flimsy white piece, immediately detached, and it's not really attached to the eyeball, so it's really easy to get a detached retina, and that's the same for humans too. But you can see it. It's in this one. It's this white film of the eyeball. And so that is the anatomy of the cow eye.